Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 15 of the Onsen Egg hunt in Heartopia, as well as where the bubble is. So go to the ice skating rink and you will see this purple egg. So I'm just going to click on it, and don't forget to take a picture. That's like one thing that you should never miss, or else the bubble will not show up. So take a picture until this pops up. And for the bubble, it's located near Rosie River. So let's go there and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the bubble. It's on this bench. And here is where it is on the map. It's quite near the ferret's trough. So we're going to collect it, and that is it for day 15. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!